नवयोग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, ॲफिलेटेड बाय स्वामी रामातीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. Good morning all the students of BSc FY. Today's topic is the introduction about the syllabus. Presented by myself Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of the Zoology Department. Yes, as related the Swami Ramatirtha Marathwada University Nanded, that is the Faculty of Science and Technology, BSc first year structure and syllabus. They is based on CBSE pattern. Their semester pattern syllabus effective from June 2019. In this first year, we see the two semester, first semester and second semester. In the first semester, they to form two paper, and second semester also the two paper. Today we learn about detail about first semester, that is also the paper number 1, biodiversity of invertebrate. They also carry the 40 marks, 10 is internal marks, their total is the 50 marks. First paper, first semester is the biodiversity of invertebrate. Semester first, second paper, biodiversity of chordate animal. They also carrying the 50 marks. 40 marks is external, 10 marks internal. That is also out of 50. Also the semester second, they also two paper. Paper number 3rd is the comparative anatomy of vertebrate. Paper number 4th is the developmental biology of vertebrate. They both paper carry the 50 marks. In this, that is the 40 marks is the external, 10 mark is the internal. Also the fifth paper, they are related by the practical paper. They also carry the 100 marks. Out of these, 80 marks is the external and 20 marks is the internal. Generally in the first year, 5 papers they are included. Today we give the introduction about the semester first. Paper number first, biodiversity of invertebrates and chordate. Biodiversity of invertebrates. There also in the paper 4 units are they mentioned. One by one we detail about this. First unit, they are included. First topic, introduction of the non-chordate animal. It is also called the invertebrate animals. Also in the 11th standard, 12th standard, we detail study about the animal kingdom. They are generally differentiated, chordate animals and non-chordate animals. In this paper, that is the detail about introduction of non-chordate. That is non-chordate animals, their characteristics of non-chordate animals. Also the examples in this topic we are studied. Second topic is the protozoa. We all know pro means first, zoa means animals. Those animals they are found in the first on the earth. This is called the protozoa. For example, we know that is the amoeba, plasmodium, euglena, etc. In this year, we detail study about their general characteristics of protozoa, classification of protozoa up to their class level with the example. Also we know that is the different protozoan animals, they are to form essential locomotory organelles is also differentiated. That is also locomotory organelles and locomotion in the protozoa, how they are takes place, also we studied in this period. Also in this period, as related their topic, that is also detailed study of the Plasmodium vivax. Also we know, all of you know, that is the Plasmodium vivax. They having the capacity to form the malaria. That is also their brief account of the structure of Plasmodium vivax, their life cycle, pathogenicity and control measure of the Plasmodium vivax. They also studied in this topic, that is the protozoa. These are the second topic. Third topic is the protozoa, porifera. Porifera, that is for example Sycon. In this, that is the poriferans. Their body is covered by pores or holes. These animals included this phylum, that is called the porifera. For example Sycon, generally they are found in the marine water. There is also detailed study about this topic is the general characteristics, classification up to the class level and with the suitable example. Also in this topic we detailed study about the canal system in the Sycon and also the economics importance of porifera. This is the first unit. They mention 3 topic in this. Then second unit. Unit second, Coelenterata. Third phylum is the Coelenterata. For example, Hydra. In this, that is also we detailed study about the general characteristics, classification up to the class level with the giving different example. Also we detail about polymorphism in the hydrozoa. This is also the Coelenterata. Then second topic as related to the second unit is the Platyhelminthes. These are the endoparasitic animals. Helminthes as related Platyhelminthes. Generally in this also we detail study about the general characters, classification up to the class level with the suitable example and also the brief account of each structure of life cycle, pathogenicity and control measure of Taenia solium. We all know that is the Taenia solium. It is commonly called as the tapeworm. They are found in the intestine of man and that is also they to form the different diseases. That they also little study about the Taenia solium in this topic as related the Platyhelminthes. Next topic is the Nematohelminthes. Nematohelminthes is also in this detailed study about general character, classification up to the class level, suitable example. In this also detailed study about the structure, life cycle, pathogenicity and control measure of Ascaris lubricoid. That is also commonly called as a roundworm. Generally they are found in intestine of small child, Ascaris lubricoid. Then in this, that is in the second unit, they also to form the 3 topics. Next is the unit third, Annelida. Generally all we know in this example, body, their presence of the annuli or the ring. For example, earthworm. We are all known about the earthworm. Earthworm is the farmer's friend. This is the included the example phylum Annelida. In this also Annelida, we detail study about the general characteristics, classification up to the class level with the suitable example. Also in this topic, we detail study about the metamerism in the Annelida, vermiculture and vermicomposting. This is the new concept as related to the earthworm. That is get yield, more production of crop, then we are used by vermiculture, vermicomposting. That is also in the detail about this topic. Next topic is the arthropoda. Arthropoda, also we know, that is the presence of the jointed appendages. For example, cockroach, crab, prawn, etc. In this arthropoda, also we detail study about general character, classification up to class level with the suitable example. Also metamorphism in the insect. Also in detail study the one example of this arthropoda, that is the cockroach. Cockroach, we are well known about the cockroach. They are found in our home, hotel, restaurant, etc. In this topic, we detail about the external morphology of cockroach, their digestive system, their reproductive system, respiratory system, and their nervous system. And also in this topic, we detail study of economics importance of the insect. Then fourth unit of this paper is the mollusca. Mollusca is well known, that is the soft bodied animal. For example, snail, pila, pearl, etc. The animals, they are included in this phylum. In this also we detail study about the mollusca, that is general characteristics, classification up to the class level with the suitable example, and also the economics importance of mollusca. Next topic is the echinodermata. Echinodermata, for example, starfish. This also, in this also we detail about the general characters of echinodermata, classification of echinodermata with the example. In this also detail study about the starfish, external morphology, larva forms in the echinoderms. And last topic of this unit is the hemichordata. In this also we detail about the general characters and affinities. Generally, hemichordata, hemi means half, chordata means chordate animals. Those in this as related hemichordata, some characters they are invertebrate and some character is the chordate. In this found in these hemichordate animals, that is they are included in this phylum, that is called the hemichordata. Also in this we detail study about their general characters and affinities of hemichordate animal. So this is the first paper of this semester. Then second paper, first semester and second paper, biodiversity of chordate. Biodiversity of chordate. Also in this paper, they to form the 4 unit. One by one, we detail study about the one unit. First unit is first topic is the introduction of the chordate. Generally also we know chordate animals, that is the presence of notochord, presence of nerve cord, and presence of pharyngeal gill slit. These animals they are included in this chordate. There is also in this topic we detail study about the introduction of the chordate, their silent feature and classification of chordate up to the class level. In this also we detail study about their origin and ancestry of the chordates. Then second topic, protochordate. Pro means first, chordates means chordate animals. In this also protochordate, there are also the 3 subphyla, that is urochordate, hemichordate and cephalochordate. Hemichordate we early studied in the first paper. Then in this protochordate we mention about urochordate and cephalochordate. Also urochordate, that is also the general feature, general characters, phylogeny of urochordate. That is, in this animal, generally in the tail region, notochord is present. These animals is called urochordate animals. And cephalochordate animals, that is the notochord which is present in the cephalic region, brain region. This animal is called a cephalochordate. Also in this protochordate, we detailed study about the urochordate and cephalochordate, their general feature, general characters, phylogeny of cephalochordate. Third topic is the agnatha. Agnatha means A means absent, gnatha means jawless. That is the absence of jaws. These animals is called agnatha. In this also we did a study about general character, classification of agnatha with the suitable example, and also the mention cyclostomata, also general characters with the suitable example. Cyclostomata. In the cyclostomata, that is the jaws, they to form the circular. For example, Petromyes fauna and Myxine. This is the first unit. Then second unit is the, as related, the first topic, Pisces means fishes. In this also we detailed study about general character, classification up to the order level with the suitable example. Also in this we know Pisces or the fishes, they are found in the fresh water or marine water. That is also the one example we are detailed study about this, that is the Scalodon. It is commonly called as dogfish. They are found in the marine water. In this we detailed study about the Scalodon, external morphology, digestive system, reproductive system, circulatory system, nervous system, urinogenital system, and also the economics importance of fishes. And second topic is the amphibia. We also know amphibian, for example, frog. Amphibians, they are found in both conditions, that is, they are found in the water and also the land. In the larval stage, they are found in water. In the adult stage, they are found in the land. That is, this animal is called amphibians. In this also, we did a study about general character, classification up to order level with the suitable example, and also the some characteristics like the parental care in the amphibians, hibernation, estivation, that is also called summer sleep and winter sleep, they also studied in this topic. Then unit number third, that is the topic first, reptilia. Reptilia, that is the reptilian animal, that is the special feature is the crawling nature. For example, snake, lizard, etc. In this, that is also we did a study about general character, classification up to the order level with the suitable example. Also mention that is the what is how we identify poisonous snake and non-poisonous snake. They also see with this topic their biting mechanism in snake and importance of the snake venom. They also studied in this topic. Next topic is the Eos. In this also general characters and classification up to the order level with the suitable example, and that is the special feature is the flight adaptation in the birds. Why the bird only having the capacity to fly in the air? That is also we did a study about the flight adaptation in the birds, and also the migration in birds. Why the birds, they are transferred from one place to another place, that is to getting the food, to getting the shelter and all the necessary needs they are transferred from one place to another place. That is also we detailed study about in this, that is the migration in the birds. And last unit of this is the fourth unit. Their first topic is the mammals. Also we know that is the mammals, that is the very special feature, presence of the hair. For example, we are all of you, that is also the human beings, monkey, rat, rabbit, etc. In this also we detail study about general character, classification to order level with the suitable example. Detail about the example is the rat, extra morphology, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, brain, spinal cord, eye and ear. This is the fourth unit which is a concern as related this second paper. In this period we detail study about the introduction, about the syllabus, semester first, paper number first and second. Next period, next semester we detail study about the third and fourth paper. Yes, goodbye the student.